Cambodia, a land of vibrant culture and ancient history, nestled among the verdant landscapes of Southeast Asia, faced a dark period in the 20th century. From 1975 to 1979, the nation was held captive by the brutal regime of the Khmer Rouge. This radical communist movement, officially known as the Communist Party of Kampuchea, unleashed a reign of terror that left an indelible mark on Cambodia's soul. Driven by a utopian vision of an agrarian society, the Khmer Rouge, under the iron fist of their enigmatic leader Pol Pot, implemented policies that led to the deaths of an estimated 2 million people. The Khmer Rouge's rise to power was rooted in the tumultuous political landscape of Cambodia and the broader Indochina region. The Vietnam War, with its devastating consequences spilling over Cambodia's borders, created fertile ground for the Khmer Rouge's ideology to take root. Exploiting the chaos and discontent, they presented themselves as liberators, promising a return to a simpler agrarian past. However, beneath this veneer of nationalistic fervor lay a chilling blueprint for social engineering that would have catastrophic consequences. This essay delves into the dark history of the Khmer Rouge, exploring their ascent to power, the ideology that fueled their brutality, and the devastating impact their rule had on Cambodia and its people. We will examine the key events and figures, particularly the enigmatic and ruthless figure of Pol Pot, who orchestrated this tragic chapter in Cambodian history. Finally, we will reflect on the enduring legacy of the Khmer Rouge regime, a stark reminder of the human cost of unchecked ideology, and the importance of truth and justice in healing the wounds of the past. The seeds of the Khmer Rouge were sown in the fertile ground of anti-colonial sentiment and Cold War tensions that gripped Cambodia in the mid-20th century. Emerging from the remnants of the Indochinese Communist Party, the Khmer Rouge initially operated as a small, clandestine group. Their early years were marked by guerrilla warfare, recruiting disaffected peasants and intellectuals disillusioned by the corruption and inequality that plagued Cambodia under the rule of Prince Norodom Sihanouk. The political climate of the 1960s and early 1970s played a crucial role in the Khmer Rouge's ascendance. The Vietnam War, raging next door, destabilized the region and provided the Khmer Rouge with opportunities to exploit the chaos. As the United States escalated its bombing campaign in Cambodia, targeting suspected North Vietnamese army supply lines, the Khmer Rouge capitalized on the resulting devastation and displacement, portraying themselves as protectors of the Cambodian people against foreign aggression. The Khmer Rouge's propaganda resonated with a population weary of war and instability. They promised a utopian vision of an agrarian society free from foreign influence where everyone would work the land and share the fruits of their labor. This message, coupled with their growing military strength, allowed them to steadily expand their control in rural areas. By 1975, after a brutal civil war, the Khmer Rouge, under the leadership of Pol Pot, captured the Cambodian capital, Phnom Penh, marking the beginning of their reign of terror.